The Fashionista Show is on location at the Chef's Warehouse Test Kitchen with Down East Seafood, purveyors of some of the finest seafood for New York's top chefs. And Joe Cooper is joining me to dig into the ultimate Flight of Tuna recipe.
Hey, welcome back to the Fashionista Show, making easy seafood recipes. I told you Joe was going to be on the set with us. Look at this amazing tuna that is on the set today. We've got bluefin and yellowfin, and Joe's gonna tell us the difference. We're gonna turn this into, get this, it's gonna be a tuna flight. It's gonna be tuna three-way. Let's get into it, Joe. I would love to know a lot more about this tuna.
Sure.
When I go to the store, I'm pretty, it can be confusing. Well, which one should I have, the bluefin or the yellowfin? And
I mean, bluefin is, traditionally known as like the tuna of choice for sushi restaurants. And this time of year, we can get bluefin domestically caught from up in the North Atlantic. The biggest difference is the size of the fish. So Pacific bluefin do get much larger than Atlantic bluefin.
And then over here
is yellowfin tuna.
Yellowfin tuna. What are we finding in the stores the most? Is it
mostly yellowfin, also known as ahi? And a lot of people really gravitate towards yellowfin because of the bright cherry red color, especially their number one grade tuna, which is the top of the top.
Okay, this is what concerns me. I don't know what that means when I get it home and I see that dark bloodline. I'm like, oh, should I eat it? Should I not eat it?
Well, I mean, typically you cut it out because, it is a little bit more metallic. Mm-hmm. I mean, it's safe to eat, but it's unsightly.
I think it's kind of gamey.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Tuna's so versatile. So, I mean, it's great raw, sashimi, sushi.
I always call it like the steak of the sea.
It is.
Yeah, and chock full of omega-3s, by the way. Lean, lots of protein, so super healthy for you while we're eating seafood, for your brain, for your heart health, all that kind of stuff. If I'm searing that up, and it's about that thick, how long are you searing that?
It cooks up pretty quickly. If you're talking about a steak that thick, really like a minute and a half.
We're gonna do that, sashimi, tuna pica, and then we're gonna do a seared coriander, peppercorn, seared tuna. It's gonna go down on the burner. You heard him. It doesn't take that long, and that's gonna be our trio of tuna. So we're gonna get busy with this for right now. I can sear this up while you're cutting. So whatever you think would be good for the sear, that steaky, because I'm gonna slice it up. It's gonna be so beautiful as the trio. I should probably turn this over, right?
Yeah. For me, I eat it the same as I would a steak, Cook it up medium rare, just, get it nice and seared on the outside.
Why don't we use this for both the tuna pica and, so sashimi. I'll let you give me some sashimi cuts.
Okay.
And we'll move this over to here. You could do fried wontons as well. That's really, really fun to do the fried wontons, and then we're having fun with this flight of tuna. We're going in here. Check that out. So I'm building this as we go. I'm trying to do the classic tuna pica. Should I go for another layer?
Oh.
Are we playing Jacob?
Oh, yeah, right?
Are we playing Jacobs?
When will it fall?
And you know what? This is the fun of doing it. You screw it up. You overcook it, whatever. The only way to learn is by doing it. Here we go. Joe's cutting the tuna.
Oh, look, the cook is good. Oh, no, with cook, it's a little over.
See, I overcooked it. However, once again, it's so forgiving. I mean, it's so delicious. It's so fresh. Let's skip it up. We're going to go right here. It's going to be a hot mess on the plate, but that's okay. It's going to be so delicious. I put together lime, caper, and olive oil dressing just to drizzle over this.
Sounds delicious.
I forgot to put a little bit of sesame seeds. Why not put some sesames on there? Just for giggles. A little bit of chives. Look, I have some chives.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Heike did a good job on that. Chives, look, color. And I have a little drizzle here. Just soya ginger. So you keep it simple. Soya ginger, best friend, right? Because you got that spicy from the ginger, and then that salty, I guess.
A little umami.
A little umami, exactly. And you just drizzle it over that. And again, it's all you need. We're going to make that all done. Oh, I think we got it. Look at this trio. I don't want to rock it too much, but
it was fun cooking with you.
It was fun cooking with you too. Thank you so much. Look at this beautiful. Now we used yellowfin tuna and we use bluefin tuna from Down East Seafood. It doesn't get any better than this. Who would not want this platter of gorgeous tuna served up?
I'm ready to eat some.
I think I'm ready to. Don't forget to keep watching the Fashionista Show, teaching people easy seafood recipes and answering the number one question: how do you cook seafood? And don't forget, you don't need confidence to cook seafood because cooking seafood gives you confidence. Bye-bye for now.